Hello, and welcome to Let's Get Physics School. I'm your host, Rachel Evans. Today, my co-host Nina and I decided that we had a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to teach you a very special law that governs our world using the snow that had just fallen outside.
Nina and I are going to teach you about gravity.
Unfortunately, Nina's dream is to play George Clooney's character in a remake of Oh Brother, Where Art Thou? And she takes her method acting very seriously.
The place where he was born and raised.
Luckily for me, there were many other physical concepts at work, many of which contributed to my hypothermia. So without further ado, Rachel and Nina present coefficients of friction.
4 or 6 long years I've been in trouble. No pleasure.
Okay.
There are two types of coefficients of friction, static and kinetic. Static friction is what keeps a stationary object stationary. Kinetic friction is what slows down a moving object and eventually brings it to rest.
Nina!
You see, on a typical dry day, the coefficient of kinetic friction between my shoes and the ground is large enough that whenever I start moving, my feet are slowed down immediately, so they don't just keep going out from underneath me. But today, the thin layer of ice hidden beneath that snow reduced that coefficient of kinetic friction just enough to let me slip and fall.
He has no friends to help him now.
Nina was unaffected.
I'm freezing. And I'm angry.
Tune in next time on Let's Get Physics School when Nina explains... Did you write this? I'm not saying it. When Nina explains her conclusive evidence of the relationship between quantum mechanics and relativity.
He'll meet you home.